Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily overclock your laptops or your gaming computers. Let's begin. First, what we need to do is you just basically need to go through your GPU settings and CPU settings. So for the GPU, you can go ahead and click on the start menu and look for NVIDIA applications. So if you don't have the application yet, you can go to your Chrome browser and to look up for NVIDIA app. This one, download the application, and once you've successfully installed this on your laptop, go ahead, go here, start menu, NVIDIA application, click on it. And here we should be able to easily tweak and overclock the GPU. Now, let's wait for this. So here I have now opened the NVIDIA application. I want you to head over here on the left section and click on System. Here you will have the option to choose Performance. Go ahead and over here, automatic tuning, you can read everything here. This will basically find the best overclock settings for the GPU and maintains that performance on a regular basis. So go ahead, check this on, enable this option, and you will see all of your stats over here from the GPU clock, power, temperature, up until the fan speed and utilization. So this is actually the easiest way you can use instead of going to your BIOS or other softwares. And also, if you want to overclock your CPU, it might need or you might need to do some more research just to make sure you're applying the correct settings. So again, you just need to download a specific application. It will be MSI Afterburner and just tweak little things in there to overclock your CPU. And that's it. Pretty much we have covered the basics. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.